Okay, so as you can tell by having clicked on this video,
We're gonna be making a custom system app icon.
down here in the bottom place, like how I have system settings and it has this other icon. That's what we're doing today. So step one is you're going to want to go to your applications folder, and you're also going to want to find your user folder and then find the applications folder in that user folder. This is where we're going to make the new icon, and then this is where whatever app you have is going to be. So let's say that I wanted to do it with the most useful app, weather. We're going to make a directory in here. So I'm just going to drag and drop that into there. And then I'm going to do /weather.app. And it's going to make a directory right in here called weather. So it's going to look like this for now, but we're going to link it to the actual weather app. So how we do that is ln-s. We're going to drag in the weather app. We're going to do /content. That's important. And then we're going to do a space, and we're going to drag this one in here. Once you click enter, it should turn this one into a regular old weather app. You can do Command I, or you can just click get info on the weather app, and then you take your new icon that you want and you simply drag it on here. It's very simple. Now you can drag your new weather app down here. It functions just as the old weather app would. Oh, I'm gonna have to blur my location. And then yeah, it works great. So hopefully you find this tutorial useful. If you didn't, sue me. Yeah, you won't.